Hi, I'm Florida foreclosure defense lawyer Michael Wasylik. I'm here in St. Petersburg, Florida, outside the Pinellas County Courthouse, and I wanted to take this time to talk to you today about two ways in which filing for bankruptcy can hurt your foreclosure case. That's right, I said two ways your filing for bankruptcy can hurt your foreclosure case. There's two ways. First of all, there is the fact that it could constitute an admission against you. When you file for bankruptcy, at some point you're required to file with the bankruptcy court a schedule that lists all your creditors. Now, in cases where you have standing as a defense, where the identity of the bank that's suing you is an issue in your foreclosure case, if you list on your bankruptcy schedule the identity of the bank that claims to have the note, it may be used against you by some bank lawyers as an admission that that's the right bank to be suing you in the foreclosure case. Because if you make a statement in one court, it may be binding on you in another court. So it may constitute an admission. The second reason filing for bankruptcy may harm you in your foreclosure case is because, again, when you file that initial bankruptcy petition, part of what you do when you're listing your creditors and your debts, you are required to list whether they are secured or unsecured and how you intend to dispose of them. Now, with a foreclosure, you're dealing with a mortgage, which is a secured debt on the loan. The debt is secured by the property, by the home that's subject to the mortgage. And so when you list that as secured, you're required to make an election. Do you intend to reaffirm the debt, or do you intend to surrender the property to satisfy the secured debt? And if you make an election to surrender, that doesn't automatically transfer your property, but some bankruptcy judges have taken that as an expression of your intent to actually give the property up to the bank. And then if you come into the foreclosure case and challenge their right to take it from you, at least one bankruptcy judge here in Florida has said that that is a misstatement to the bankruptcy court, because you told us you were going to surrender it, but in the foreclosure case you actually did something different. You tried to protect it, and has attempted to sanction the bankruptcy debtor for making a false statement to the bank. So again, those are the two ways in which a bankruptcy filing can hurt your foreclosure case. First, because it may be an admission. Second, because it may be an inconsistent statement that the bankruptcy court could determine is something you could be sanctioned for. So be very careful about filing for bankruptcy. It's a useful tool in the right situation, but it's not something that is a cure-all. So be careful, be strategic, be tactical when filing for bankruptcy. I'm Florida foreclosure defense lawyer Michael Wasylik. If you have any questions about how filing a bankruptcy might hurt your foreclosure case, please give me a call, 352-567-3173. That's 352-567-3173. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.